Congratulations on choosing your new vehicle, and thank you for trusting Jacko Diamonds Honda. You're just a few steps from driving home. Before you meet with one of our finance managers, here's a quick look at what to expect during the finance process. Your finance manager will review your purchase documents, explain the terms of your deal, and answer any questions. They'll also introduce several optional protection products designed to help protect your vehicle, your budget, and your ownership experience. HondaCare Vehicle Service Contract. Your vehicle is a major investment. A HondaCare Vehicle Service Contract can help cover certain mechanical or electrical repairs after your factory warranty expires, and depending on the plan, may include roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption coverage. HondaCare Maintenance. HondaCare Maintenance lets you prepay for scheduled maintenance, making it easier to budget for routine service performed by trained technicians using Honda genuine parts when applicable. GAP Insurance. If your vehicle is totaled or stolen, your insurance settlement may fall short of what you still owe. Guaranteed Asset Protection, or GAP, may help cover that difference, especially valuable for smaller down payments, negative equity, or longer loan terms. Honda Multi-Coverage. This package combines several protections in one: tire and wheel protection for road hazard damage, paintless dent repair for minor dents and dings, and key replacement protection for lost or damaged keys. Your finance manager will walk you through the details, benefits, and limits of each product available to you. These protection products are optional. Please ask questions and choose only what makes sense for you. Coverage, eligibility, and terms vary, and your finance manager will provide the official agreements. Again, congratulations on your new vehicle, and thank you for choosing Jacko Diamonds Honda. We look forward to serving you throughout your ownership journey.